Trust is the foundation of every high-performing team, yet it's one of the easiest things to lose and the hardest to rebuild. So whether you are stepping into a new leadership role or you are repairing damage from past decisions, earning your team's trust is not optional, it's essential. So today we are diving into how to build and rebuild trust as a leader so that you can foster stronger, more productive relationships with your team. Hi, welcome to Lead Well, Live Well. I'm your host, Dr. Tiffany Fennell. I'm an executive leadership coach, consulting psychologist, and founder of Fennell Coaching Consulting. So first, let's define trust in the context of leadership. So trust is the belief that you will act with integrity, follow through on your commitments, and lead with the best interests of others in mind. So for employees, trust shows up in questions such as, will my manager support me when I need it? Do they follow through with what they say? Are they transparent, especially when things get tough? So without trust, you will see disengagement, high turnover, and quiet resistance. With trust, you will see loyalty, initiative, and better results across the board. If you're new to a team, your first job isn't to change everything. It's to listen. So spend time learning the culture, understanding team dynamics, and observing without judgment. Here are 3 practical ways that you can build trust from day one. First, be consistently reliable. Don't make promises you can't keep. And when you do commit, deliver. On time, every time. Second, practice transparency. Share what you know, admit what you don't, and be honest about decisions, even the tough ones. People can handle bad news. They can't handle surprises. And third, respect boundaries and perspectives. Listen without interrupting. Acknowledge different viewpoints, especially when they challenge yours. Now, what if trust has already been broken? Maybe there was a failure in communication, a breach in confidentiality, or a decision that left your team feeling blindsided. Well, here is a 4-step framework for rebuilding trust. Step 1, acknowledge and own the mistake. Don't deflect, don't minimize, say it clearly, like, I got this wrong and I understand how it impacted you. Step 2, listen actively. Create space for your team to share how they feel. Don't interrupt, don't justify, just listen. Step 3, take meaningful action. Words matter, but behavior rebuilds. So ask, what changes can I make to restore your trust? And then follow through. And finally, step 4, be patient but persistent. Rebuilding trust is like replanting a tree. It takes time, consistency, and care. One good conversation won't fix everything, but it can start the process. So as you work to earn or rebuild trust, watch for these silent trust killers. The first being micromanagement. This signals that you don't believe in your team. Second is inconsistency. This is where you're saying one thing and doing another. And then there's favoritism. Even the perception of unfairness erodes trust quickly. So the key in all of this is self-awareness. So ask for feedback and watch how your team responds to your decisions. Your intent doesn't matter if your impact is negative. Trust is not a one-time achievement. It's a daily practice. So how do you lead with trust every day? Well, you can model your expectations and give credit before you take credit, and create psychological safety where people can speak up without fear. When trust is alive in a team, people take risks, share ideas, and step up without being asked. Whether you're building trust from the ground up or piecing it back together, remember this: trust is a verb. It's built through actions, reinforced through consistency, and earned, not demanded. Well, if this helped you think about trust differently, hit that like button, subscribe for more leadership insights, and share this with someone who could use a boost in their leadership journey. Thanks for watching, and go lead with integrity.